100%. We do garden design primarily. It's a massive time suck to get job done. Definitely the most callbacks, and every garden design is different. A work of art. Yeah, and I'm all about work of art. I actually really enjoy design, to be honest. I enjoy actually creating designs by hand, by sketching. Some of you didn't know that, but I do. And I really do enjoy it. However, it's just not good for the business, because I might enjoy doing designs, but I know go find a general manager in every single location that can do designs and is good at art and is good at like balancing out colors inside of a garden design. It's much harder to scale. And so again, it's not to say that it is bad. If you want to stay in your business and you really enjoy it, you're going to be able to do planting and design and build and all the rest of it. It's actually really, really fun. I enjoy it. I enjoy grading and installing new lawns and all the rest of it. One of our locations out in Augusta, Georgia, I don't know if they have yet or they were thinking about cutting out sod install. Now, sod install is a very profitable service. And in their area, I believe they do several, like probably, I guess if that's probably over $100,000 worth of sod install every year. However, if every single time you do it, 80% of the time there's one or two pieces that are dying, the edges fray out, they don't get watered, and now it starts to like fade, and all these other problems. If you can cut it out and have a short-term loss in revenue, but in the long term, you're cutting way back on admin, way back on your headache. That's the biggest thing, is like, I don't want to be in business in 10 years and still being worried about planting trees and whether or not they grow. I want the systems to be running without me.